guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. If you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I am going to show you guys how to achieve this particular very wearable yet very glam look for the Valentine's Day, which is just knocking at our doors. So yeah, without any more further ado, I will just dive into the video. But before starting the video, if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup routine, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @polumi_mimi, and from there you can check out this particular base makeup routine. And today's eye makeup look is not a very critical one. It is very easy and very simple. I have used some basic nude shades and shades of brown to achieve this particular makeup look, and I have created some winged liner with this particular look. So yeah, after a long time I am creating a winged liner, so that's it. Now without any more wasting of your valuable time, let's dive into the video. So now as you can already see that I'm totally done with my base, I quickly start on with my eye makeup. And for my eye makeup, the very first palette that I'm going to take today is going to be my Morphe X James Charles palette, which is basically this one. And taking this beautiful palette over here, I am going to create a very wearable glam look today. So yeah, I'm going to take this palette, and from this particular palette I'm going to take this beautiful brown shade, this light brown shade over here. And taking this shade over here, I am going to dust off the excess, and I'm just going to start putting it onto my outer V of my eyes. Since today's look is going to be very wearable and very simple, so I'm not going to make it any colorful, and I'm not going to do anything which is, you know, kind of intimidating for a beginner or anyone who is just, you know, playing with the makeup for the very first time. So I'm just going to use a very neutral and very, you know, easily available shades, because I think everyone has a nude palette. Like every girl who is into makeup owns at least a nude palette. So yeah, I'm going to put some brown shades. Like if you want to know the drill, like put on the lightest brown shade that you have onto the outer V of your eyes, and I am then blending it out so that it looks nice and diffused. So now at this point, when I'm done with that light brown shade from my James Charles palette, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my James Charles palette all over again, and from this particular palette what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this beautiful brown shade over here, which is basically this one. It is a little bit darker than that one. So first I took this one, and now I'm going to take this particular shade. So yeah, now taking this shade over here onto a small blending brush like this, I'm going to dust off the excess and start putting it onto like this portion, this corner portion of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with that dark brown shade from my James Charles palette, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a lighter brown shade, and for that I'm going to take this one over here. So basically I started with this one, then I went to this one, and then now I am taking this one over here. So taking that shade over here into that small blending brush, I am going to put it onto this portion of my eyes, and I'm just going to blend that dark brown shade towards the inner portion of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with those brown shades, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this beautiful light nude shade over here from my James Charles palette, and taking this shade over here. This is a very beautiful nude shade, like a sandalwood sort of a shade. So taking this shade over here and dusting off the excess, I am just going to put it onto this inner portion of my eyes. So what you can do, you can use your, so you can also alternatively use your face powder to do this particular step. If you have your pressed powder or your any foundation powder, like in a powder form, you can use that to put that shade onto like this portion of your eyes, and then slightly blend it with that brown shade. And what is it going to do, and what this step is going to do is this step is going to make your eyes look wide and more open. So now at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful palette over here, and from this beautiful palette I'm going to take this 24K shade, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful golden shade over here, I'm going to put it slightly onto the inner corners of my eyes. This is basically a foil shade, so it applies better with fingers or with a flat brush, but today I don't want that bang on pigmentation. I just want that little golden shade onto this inner corners of my eyes, very light and diffuse, just like I just want that vibe that you have just put on some shades and like thrown on some makeup and just you are out. You have not spent hours doing this makeup. So yeah, I'm just going to take that shade and just throw it on like that. Now at this point, when I'm done with all the shades, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner, which is basically this one, and taking my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I am going to put it onto my eyes and draw a nice winged liner. So now at this point, when I'm done with the liner, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to curl my lashes generously, and after curling my lashes, what I'm going to do is I am just going to put on some mascara. And today for my mascara, I am going to use my Roller Lash Mascara, because this gives a very natural and lengthening lash effect. So yeah, I'm going to put on this particular mascara, and then obviously I am going to hop on some falsies, but if you are not comfortable with some falsies, you can obviously exclude this particular step. But yeah, I like putting on falsies, so yeah, I'm going to put on some falsies. And you know what, like honestly, falsies just glam up the look. You just don't do any eye makeup, put on some mascara and some falsies, and just look how glam it looks. So it instantly added up so much towards my eyes. So I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies, and I will be right back. So now at this point, when I'm done with both my eyes and I have put on some falsies, and for my falsies I have used my PAC 213 lashes, which were basically this one. And so yeah, I'm all done for my eyes. So moving on towards my lips. For my lips today, I'm going to use my Smashbox Always On Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is basically this one. It is in the shade Boss. So I'm going to put it on my lips. This is a very beautiful red color. I just love using this particular red on my lips. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on my lips. So now at this point, I'm done with putting on my lip color also. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray my face with some setting spray, and this is the Dewy Setting Spray by NYX Cosmetics. So I'm just going to spread my face and with this one. So now at this point, I'm just going to put on some highlighter, and for my highlighter I'm using my Ofra highlighter in the shade Red Drive. This is my all-time favorite shade. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my face. So now at this point, I'm totally done with all the steps of my makeup. So this is it for my today's look, and this is my version of a very wearable glam Valentine's Day look. So if you recreate it, it is very easy to recreate, so do not forget to recreate it. And if you recreate it, do let me know below in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to know that. So right now I'm going to sign off. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.